In order to create a Google slide, we will go to our Google account or Gmail account, and we will click those 9 dots right here. Then we will go to our Drive. In the Drive, we will click on New, and we will choose Google Slides here. Now, we can make our students create beautiful PowerPoint presentations that are shared. So every student can work on a different slide, or perhaps students can work together on the same slide. And so we want to give it a title, for instance, my favorite food. And here we tell students that when they click on the plus sign, they get a new slide. Or you can open all the slides for them in advance by clicking the plus sign. When they log in, they can, when they are in, they can give their slide a title. For instance, my favorite food is pizza. And here they can insert a picture of a pizza. They can go to the internet and they can choose a picture. It's really easy because they can just do right click, copy, go back to the slideshow and do paste. Then they can make it smaller. And that's it. They should write their name. They can insert a text box and just write their name, for instance, Dan. They can make it bigger. And every student can do it on a different slide. You can do the title, my favorite food. Now when you want to, basically after you create this, you want to send this to student, you click on share. Here you do advanced, and then instead of private you change it to anyone with a link can view. No, sorry, anyone with a link can edit. And save. And then you give this to the students, this link right here. You can also make this link shorter and sending students a shorter link by going to tinyurl.com, pasting the long link here, and click on Make Tiny URL. Here you give this to students. So you can write this on the board for them, and they can just go to the internet, put this in the web address bar, and they will immediately go to your slideshow. So if they write it here, tinyurl.com, they will immediately get to your presentation. Will be able to click the plus sign and start their own slideshow. You always want to tell students to respect one another and not to delete anything that they didn't write. Thank you, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.